I'm Susan. I hope you're doing great. Today I'm going to be making an oatmeal peanut butter cookie. It's a new recipe, so I'm going to give it a try. And for this recipe, you're going to need 2 cups of quick cooking oats, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 cup of crunchy peanut butter, 1 cup of packed light brown sugar, a half a cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 of a cup of butter, that's 1½ sticks, and 2 large eggs, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. In a large bowl, stir together your oats, your flour, your baking powder, your baking soda, and your salt. And then stir it and set it aside. Now in a large mixing bowl, beat your peanut butter and your butter until it's smooth. At least as smooth as it can be using chunky peanut butter. Scrape down your bowl and beat in your sugars, eggs, and vanilla. Now you want to add in your flour mixture. And once again, I always scrape down my bowl before doing anything extra like this. Now you want to mix this, and then you want to chill it for at least an hour. After your hour, you want to drop your cookies onto a greased cookie sheet, which I'm using a silicone mat, by the teaspoonfuls. And you want to bake them in a preheated 350 Fahrenheit oven for 8 to 10 minutes. You do not want to overbake. These cookies will definitely be a keeper. They're very delicious, they're chewy, and they've got that good peanut butter flavor. So I hope you'll give them a try. I highly recommend them. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Y'all have a great and wonderful day, and until next time, bye y'all.